The last time I got the strawberry lemonade, it was good. It was just a bit sour. Oh my gosh, I want to open these, but I want my hair to be done so I can try them on.
Okay. Ooh, the pink one look kind of nice.
I know. I'm gonna wear that with these clear heels I just bought from Shein. Bum 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 bum.
Girl, I'm gonna wear my clear heels for Valentine's Day.
I think I'm gonna return all the shoes I got because I feel like
I really like those though. I like those.
Yeah, but it's like so big. It's a 9.5. I showed you these, right?
Yeah, those are cute. But they're cute. This is socks for me.
I know.
It's
Oh, my ashy legs. So, I want to see what it's giving.
Oh, it's like a hot pink.
Yeah. But it's cute. I'm gonna wear it with a white. I'm gonna put a white little bralette thing under here. These pants look huge. Okay. It's not bad. It's super wrinkly. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to have my faux locks. Yeah. It fits actually really nice. I look ugly with this head thing on, but yeah, I'm gonna probably wear. I think I'm gonna return those shoes. I'm gonna wear my white shoes. Probably these Steve Madden ones. I think I'm gonna wear my Louis bag, my vintage.
Your vintage real Louis bag.
That I never wear because it's real and I want to sell it one day. Yeah. Do you think it goes with this?
Just a tad.
Mm. I don't have really. Yeah, I can't. Hi, mommy. Oh my gosh, I love this. And I'm gonna wear it for the brunch, the Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh, those pants don't have pockets. Oh, my booty looks nice.
Girl, when does it not?
Yeah, that's what I said. Once I get the faux locks, everything's gonna come together. Because right now, I just feel like I don't know, somebody's mom. All right, guys, this is the outfit for Galentine's. Okay. Yeah, these shoes are better. They're so much more comfortable. My nails are white. My toes is white. Just get my hair done. This is the blue one. That's why you. Oh, this is cute.
It looks nice.
Oh, I can't wait to do this real.
I like the blue better. The pink is cute. I like the blue better.
I like it too, but I want to wear the pink for Valentine's Day so it could pop and fit.
Yeah, where's the pink for Valentine's Day?
These are nice. Okay, Shein. This is good pants. The pants are better than the blazer. You just don't have any pockets. Today is February the 10th. I'm just getting my outfits ready for Galentine's Day, which you guys will see. I'm gonna be wearing this pink pantsuit that I got from Shein. It's my first time opening it. I really wanted to wear these specific heels with them because they go with my little Louis bag really nicely, but the shoe is a little bit too big because I ordered them big on the website, or they said on their reviews that it runs small. To eliminate that problem, I ordered them a little big, which doesn't look horrible, but they kind of feel like they're gonna flip off. This back piece, like, it's just like folding because it's too big. There's like a lot of room in the shoe that I just don't like. Like, it just feels big. Like, look at that, all that space. This is just a tad big. And I also bought these gold heels, which I wore on Sunday. They are also big on me, which I guess it's not that big of a deal, but I don't know. They're like so loose though because they're so big. And this is like basically like a size 10. I wear a 9. So I'm not sure. And here's the last pair of heels that I got. These little green ones, which I really bought for the holidays. The green ones, I think they fit fine. I think these are okay. Yeah, these fit perfectly, actually. See right there, these fit like you see how it's just perfect on your heel? That's how I want all of them to fit. But just putting together my outfits. I'm gonna put all of my outfits on my clothing rack. I'm ready to go come the weekend. Today's Thursday, Friday night. Tomorrow I need to find an outfit for tomorrow. My church is doing a special dinner for all the members on the praise team, so they just want us to dress nicely. I just need to find a nice cute little dress, all the while I'm finding these Valentine's Day outfits. What can I wear? I'm kind of tired of wearing this, but this is a really nice dress for the type of event. But my full wax appointment is on Saturday and this party's tomorrow, so I can't wear that because your girl needs to shave. So this dress I think I'm going to wear on Valentine's Day. Let me take that out. I'm probably going to wear that with red heels and the red heart bag, which is right here. Pretty sure I'm going to wear this red heart bag I got from City Trends with this cheetah dress for Valentine's Day. If not, I'll just wear it in my Reels video. Yeah, I'm about to go try to find this outfit for this dinner tomorrow, and I'll chat with y'all in a sec. Whoa, that's creepy.
What's the closest hair store? Just in case I need the weekend.
The closest what?
Hair store.
Girl, we're not gonna do it. We ain't got no time. I'm just gonna put it on. I see a lot of people who, oh, my order's been sick. I just ordered some stuff on Zara for the first time.
What is Zara? Is it jewelry?
It's a clothing store. It's like the bougie version of Forever 21. And I'm so excited. Zara has like the most amazing blazers and bags and jewelry. Oh, I'm just so excited. I bought 2 bags, and Zara bags are usually like $100. I got it for $22. Let me show you what I got.
Sheesh. Can I tie these pins in the back?
I'm just kidding.
Sorry.
Got this bag. These are Zara bags.
Oh, that's cute.
Zara bags are usually, and then the green that looks like Bottega.
It looks nice.
It's gonna be so perfect. And I got Ebony Woods. Everybody raves about this on YouTube, and I finally got it. Should I put my hair in a ponytail so you can?
Ponytail would be better.
I mean, yeah. Again, don't have to be perfect. We just need to put it on. Okay.
What if they ask to take pictures? Everybody take a group picture wrong.
Okay, but like, who's gonna be zooming in my hair? Like, are you that miserable? What do you need me to do?
Nothing yet. Just checking the fit.
You tell them my head grew.
No. Okay, we got phase 1 done.
Alright, you guys, so I'm getting my hair done really quick. It's gonna be like a 24-hour, not even, it's gonna be a couple hour thing for that party I told you I was going to. I think I'm wearing this. I'm not sure yet. I don't really want to because it's so bright. I just wish it wasn't that bright.
I got a 60. I'm gonna call you right back.
Thank you.
I'm gonna call you right back. Okay, bye.
You need my blow dryer?
It's like
I feel like a Barbie with that pink and then this hair.
yeah, I did. I'm just excited to see the locks.
I know, I can't wait. Edit that out. You're reading your lips over here, buddy. What? I don't know what you're talking about.
A brush with a little bit of foundation on it.
Oh.
Oh, what? I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, caught in a bad romance.
You should do that challenge on TikTok.
What are you supposed to do? Oh yeah, the singing one. Go up and up and up.
Yeah.
Girl. Another lifetime. Girl. 6:30. I think it was supposed to start at 6:30.
I don't think so. Why would they make something at 6:30?
On a Friday. Everybody's coming from work. Let me double check. Boxer.
6:30 turns into 7:30 real quick.
Real quick.
Edge brush in here now.
Jacked up, but
It'll
use the backside.
Like this back?
Yeah, because that thing is dope. God, I don't know why I still got that.
Like,
see, join me February at 6:30 till 8:30 in the fellowship hall. It's 6:30 right now, near my bedside. I need to finish this reel.
I was about to say, baby, I know you didn't just fart while I was right next to you.
Girl, that was you. Oh, we need some like hair oil. Okay, go in the beauty room.
I think it's good without oil.
No, it's like it feels, and it needs some sheen, not oil, sheen. I need sheen.
On the beauty room.
On the little shelf that has my products, at the top right, you're gonna see the sheen stuff. Alright guys, so let me just finish the surreal. Hold up, let me fix my hair. Alright, eye spray, can you do the part? I don't know what that looks like. It looks like. See? Bring it.
See?
Judy just said, where is everybody? We're about to start.
Which means there's nobody? That's good for us.
Girl, I'm just getting done with my hair. I'm not even there yet. Illusionize it. Okay, steady hand. I'm gonna tell Judy girl ain't coming.
You look good.
You know, because you're taking forever.
No, I'm not.
Girl, Judy's where everybody at.
Are you everybody?
And I still don't know what I'm wearing. What if that thing don't fit? What if that don't fit?
It's gonna fit.
You don't know that, girl. I remember last time I wore that dress.
It's gonna fit.
Camera's dying. See you guys next time. Don't really care.
I care.
Why? You think I'm gonna tell you, oh, well, Judy did my hair last time?
No. Hey, baby, let's take a picture.
Why do you want to take a picture? I mean,
It's y'all first. We're 15 freaking.
okay, listen, I'll be the one editing all the pictures. I'm still home doing my hair, lol.
What's that?
Chris.
Is he there?
No, he asked me, did they start?
Oh my gosh.
No, I told you, nobody's gonna be there. It's a Friday. People are coming from work. I'm putting out my clothes.
Dedication to our worship team. So again, we want to say thank you to everybody for your service.
I'm so grateful that he took all his time, energy, thought. It's so much. Like when a man plans something out, ladies, and it's so like on point, that's everything. Like this made so much to me. I don't even want to.
So here we go, first trip. It's crazy. They think I'm gonna walk over here. It's serious. It's pretty wild.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you. Something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you.
This is gonna be a good thing. Love you guys, and yeah, anything you need, just hit me up. Let me know.
Alright, take, what is this, 3? Okay, Fifi.
Girl.
What should you do official?
First sister, I'm so proud of you. I thank God for the DJ that you guys are doing what honors God, and you have my blessing. And you know, I'm praying for the two of you so you can have great success, because marriage is a beautiful thing.
Baby, just want to say we're just glad that you guys are taking this commitment. We know that marriage is hard work, and I want you to know that if you have any questions or any
About you, something about you I like, about you I like.
And trust me.
happy for you.
social media, okay?
Oh, please don't.
She's gonna be the first one to post on social media. Test.
Okay.
Too late.
You remember what to say?
I went live. Oh man. Everybody say
You are my best friend. Most comfortable place. You're my safest place. You're the dearest thing to my heart. Honest and transparent selves. And it wasn't easy.
Those who are engaged, so play it off.
Nobody loves me better, yeah.
Hi. I gotta call Mary back. Come and call her. You walk three ways. You in this camera. Girl! She was cute. I was trying to tell her. She was take four. Take three. I did that like this time. I told her it was cute. Yeah. It was cute. She would take all that stuff out. Yeah, but that was funny. That was funny. I'm sorry.
No. I gotta screenshot. Oh, you missed it. You missed it. Now you go. You walk like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to work like this.
That's tough.
I'm sorry. You were right? No. I'll put my knee down.
There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like.
We're engaged.
Excited. I'm looking forward to this process. Everybody say this is the easy part, so
We'll see. It's gonna be good.
Nobody loves me better.
Well, guys, I'm going to bed. Okay. Do you sleep with it on? I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to bed. I have my hair appointment in the morning. It is 12:49 a.m. so I'm going to bed. My phone's gonna be blowing up, so I'm just gonna put it on silent and we'll resume this vlog tomorrow. Or